Hi friends, now let's see adapter working or not. Adapter working or not. How to check? First of all, power card. Power card working or not. How to check it? You plug in. First, this is power card. I plug in. Then this cable incoming power is come or not. Put AC. Okay, power cord is good. Power cord is good. You put adapter. This is a pin. This output voltage is already know 19 volt, 19.8 or 3. You put DC volt. Okay. .3 volt. So this adapter is good working adapter. This method is using all kind of laptop adapters or desktops adapters. You can use any adapters. Thank you for watching.